Good afternoon. I'm Rudi Hidana from the Health Analyst Study Program, Tikas Bakti Tunas Husada, Tasikmalaya. I will present my research under the title Comparison of Eucalyptus Oil Concentration on Head Lice Mortality in Vitro. Pediculosis capitis is an infection of the skin, hair of the head caused by Pediculus humanus capitis. The prevalence and incidence of pediculosis capitis worldwide is quite high. It is estimated that there are hundreds of millions of people infected with pediculosis capitis every year. Some of the factors that can help spread pediculosis capitis infestation are socio-economic factors, level of knowledge, density of residents, and individual characteristics. The result of untreated pediculosis capitis infestation can have various effects on sufferers, including reduced quality of children's sleep at night due to itching, social stigma, shame, and inferiority complex. Pediculosis capitis was mostly found in dormitories and in densely populated areas. Generally, this disease is still the second highest after scabies, especially in school-aged children. This incidence is mostly transmitted directly through intermediaries because the habit of sufferers don't pay attention to personal hygiene so that they become infected. Currently, humans have found a way to control the presence of this pest by using insecticides, both vegetable and synthetic. In 1950, the use of vegetable insecticide was shifted by synthetic insecticide because they were more effective and their production costs were lower. Other factors are synthetic insecticides that are easier to obtain, practical to apply, don't have to make their own preparation, and are available in large quantities. Even though it is necessary to know that the use of synthetic insecticide can cause several side effects, namely resistance to insect, target insect resurgence, environmental evolution, insecticide residue, and can suppress the development of natural enemies of pests. The above problem can be overcome by using vegetable insecticide, even though it has relatively low effectiveness. It is basically biodegradable, so it doesn't pollute the environment and leave no residue in the air, water, and soil. The result of several studies conducted show that a number of essential oils have a very broad spectrum effect both on microbes at, as well as on insect pests and pathogenic factors that live around the house as well as plant pest insect. One of the essential oil activities as a contact poison for insect is the type of eucalyptus oil which can be used on rice beetles, flies, fungi, and others. Eucalyptus oil is potential as an insecticide against head lice. Research method: testing the authenticity and phytochemical of eucalyptus oil. The authenticity of eucalyptus oil can be seen from the foam after shaking. If it is genuine, the foam will disappear immediately after shaking. The content of terpenoid compound in eucalyptus oil is tested by preparing to test tube. Input 1 milliliter of eucalyptus oil in its tube. Add vanillin and concentrate sulfonic acid. The positive results are indicated by the appearance of purple, blue purple, orange red, to purple or red brown. Collection of head lice. Head lice, Pediculus humanus capitis, were collected from several children from ex-velids who were infected with pediculosis and characterized by a head lice. 1 and 3 millimeter in size, triangular shaped head, and pair of antenna with 5 segments, gray blackish, and the mouth is shaped like a suction stick. Abdomen with 9 segments and with a fused 3 segment piston. Eucalyptus oil effectiveness testing test. Prepare the tool and material used. Put the filter paper in the Petri dish following the pattern of the Petri dish. Add 0.5 milli of eucalyptus oil to make sure it is evenly distributed. Put 10 head lice in the Petri dish and cover it. Observe the lice mortality in the cup and record of mortality every 5 minutes for 2 hours. The above procedure was carried out for pure eucalyptus oil and X-brand eucalyptus oil with different concentration variation with 2 repetition for each type and concentration. In negative control, use Aqueduct as a substitute for eucalyptus and do the procedure as above. On positive control, use pediculosis brand A and do the test as above. The results are identified from which type of eucalyptus oil has the effectiveness of the fastest killing power with low concentration. The result effectiveness was obtained from comparison with the result of the pediculosis brand A. Result: coconut oil was used in negative control, while in the control process with 2 repetition, 10 head lice were tested and were able to survive up to 29 hours after the test, while the comparison test using pediculosis brand A was obtained for more than 2 hours. Based on the research, it shows that basically eucalyptus oil can be used as an anti-flea medication for either pure eucalyptus oil or ex-eucalyptus oil, which in total is under 2 hours as a comparison for pediculosis and even less than 10 minutes. When compared between pure eucalyptus oil and X brand, eucalyptus oil, which is generally widely used in the community. Pure eucalyptus oil is better because at the lowest concentration, 12.5%, pure eucalyptus oil can kill dot head lice on average. The time needed is 4 minutes, while eucalyptus oil brain eggs take 8 minutes. Thus, the ratio of the killing power of pure eucalyptus oil is 50% better than eucalyptus oil brain eggs. This research began with the assumption that terpenoids can be used as insecticide. Terpenoids are compounds and that contain carbon and hydrogen, are volatile, and are compounds that make up essential oil. Cineol is a class of terpenoids which are found in eucalyptus oil, where cineol is one of the contact poison for insects, especially insects that have the shape of a sucker mouth entering through contact with the skin into the insect body with the intermediate tarsus at the time. Bricks on the surface containing insecticide residue. Conclusion: based on the result of comparative study of variation in the concentration of eucalyptus oil on adult head lice in vitro, it can be concluded that pure eucalyptus oil has a faster effect time than eucalyptus oil with X-brand. Then higher the concentration, the faster killing power gains lies at the lowest concentration of 12.5%. The yield ratio was 7 minutes 56 seconds for X-brand eucalyptus oil and 3 minutes 47 seconds for pure eucalyptus oil. Thus, pure eucalyptus oil is more effective than X-brand eucalyptus oil with a time difference of 3 minutes 59 seconds. Thank you very much.